In ZUNAR'S cartoon, nowhere does he even mention the word Allah. In no way has he insulted Allah. For those who understand the cartoon, they will find it hilarious because the cartoon is poking fun and making fun of the walaun terencat akal who has a phobia about everything that resembles the shape of the heart Allah. That is what ZUNAR'S cartoon is about. He is not poking fun at Allah. He is poking fun at the Melayu walaun terencat akal who is easily triggered and have imaginary fears about any form or shape that resembles the heart of Allah and makes a mountain out of a molehill. That is ZUNAR'S cartoon about. Anybody is free to make a police report. Proceed, make a police report. Very likely they may even call ZUNAR because they have to investigate if someone makes a report. ZUNAR will go to the police and ZUNAR will explain what is his cartoon about. What is he jesting about? He is not jesting about heart Allah. He is jesting about people's overreaction, easily irritated, and namely phobia against heart Allah. So the subject matter is phobia against heart Allah. Bukan his cartoon about heart Allah. So therefore, if he is guilty of insulting, he is insulting those Melayu terencat akal who is putting Islam to shame. I enjoy ZUNAR. I am also insulting and condemning and look down on those Malays yang terencat akal that is defaming Islam, desecrating Islam because of some Arabic text that describes Allah, and therefore anything that resembles that becomes an issue to them, showing that Muslims are not only easily triggered, easily provoked, in fact dumb, in fact stupid, macam apa ni, binatang, nampak something saja easily baited. Macam ikan, nampak benda kilat-kilat, ingat makanan, makan umpan. So therefore, it's so easy to just play Muslims because it is projected as a Muslim tak ada otak. So to me, I am irritated, I am humiliated because of the actions of these type of terencat akal punya Muslims. Whatever I feel is exactly what ZUNAR feels, and he expresses that in the form of his cartoon. I find it art, I find it hilarious, and I love it because the message is sent. The message sampai, and I want that message to be sent because Muslims must know how the world sees them. Muslims must know how we have become a laughing stock. Nobody is laughing at Allah. People are laughing at us for our reaction towards Allah. For that, ZUNAR deserves a datukship for that. As far as I'm concerned, he has achieved, he has accomplished that. Muslims yang understand and resonate with whatever we feel and we say will all love the cartoon and nobody will have an issue. Muslims yang terencat akal yang memang overreact about this heart Allah, kasut vern lah, tapak kaki ni lah, Allah socks lah, all these kind of things yang punya marah, memang tengok ni macam makan cili lah, terasa pedas, memang tak suka. So therefore, you think ZUNAR buat ni dia tahukah yang semua orang akan suka? You think dia tak tahukah yang dia buat kartun ni, dia tahu yang benda ni akan pedas dan sakit pada orang-orang yang terencat akal, yang who has been overreacting, who has phobia about kalimah Allah. So therefore, this is poking fun at those who have phobia kalimah Allah. And kalau you marah pada kartun ni, you sokong the police report, Maknanya you memang ada phobia of the kalimah Allah lah. Itulah, jadi this will be the measure. This will be the measure. Pasal kalau you tak ada phobia of kalimah Allah, benda ni akan jadi lawak saja. Tapi kalau you ada phobia kalimah Allah, kartun dia yang bentuk macam Allah pun, you kata now Zuna is insulting Allah. So there alone is very telling. The writing is on the wall. Congratulations Zuna, you did well. Police will do their job. You cooperate, and we have to continue putting to shame all those deviant and easily triggered kind of sensitivity which has no place in our community. Assalamualaikum. With regards to the overreaction by so many Muslims about this had Allah and oversensitivity over the matter, we see that the more rational, progressive Muslims and the non-Malays who have their heads screwed on right are reacting in a manner that is counterproductive. They want to lodge a police report on people like Iqbal. They want him to be detained and arrested. Point is, he has not committed any offense. He has not committed any crime. But people find that this is not alright. Making a mountain out of a molehill, because it's going on and on and on, and investors are staying away from the country. People are laughing at us, and our economy is not doing well either. Now, I have always advocated that there is a way to counter that. In the case of KK Mart, kalau you tak setuju the boycott effect on KK Mart, then you buy from KK Mart wherever you can, kalau harga sama ataupun murah lagi. So you support that, you counter the boycott, you neutralize that. Now, if people are doing things that's making Islam look funny, mocking Islam, I've always advocated that we, the rest of the Muslims, we can do is to poke fun and make it like a mockery of what they're doing. Make them look stupid the way they are. This is what is to be done in what we write, in what we do, in what we express. Now, Zuna has managed to do that in the form of cartoon. He has just spoken in the form of cartoon, and I feel completely vindicated, because I did not even think about cartoon when I was recommending that. I was recommending that we send a message, that we start laughing at it instead of being irritated at what is happening. We should be laughing at it and treating it like a joke, so that those people who are misbehaving will feel that they are a clown, rather than empowering them by being angry with them, laugh at them instead. So therefore, what Zuna's cartoon did allows me to laugh at them. I find it bloody hilarious, kelakar hapus, and he's so creative. So therefore, I don't think this government will want to do anything to people like Zuna, because I think it's healthy for this country. It is a counter, it is an antidote to the sickness that has infected the entire nation. So therefore, this kind of antidote should go around, and Zuna dah rasmikan the cartoon, the Tan Sri cartoon. Let's look at things from a legal context. Okay, this Zuna can use in his narrative. Very easy here. In the cartoon of Zuna, nowhere does he write the word Allah. He doesn't mention the word Allah. Nombor satu. Nombor dua, kartun-kartun dia semua Maxis lah, Adidas lah, All IT lah, Wilson lah, apa semua, pun tak ada khat Allah. None. There is no khat Allah. Tetapi for some people, they will see that it resembles Allah, and they will get it that they are being poked fun at. Now, but those are not khat Allah. Dia just seakan-akan. So therefore, pada Muslims yang not perturbed by benda macam ni, they just see that as a joke lah, a satire. Tapi bagi Muslim-Muslim yang betul-betul ada fobia, they will be very affected by this, because dia tengok benda ni menyerupai nama Allah, which is exactly what Zuna is trying to describe. So kalau the police report ataupun the dissent towards Zunar's cartoon is because Zuna memfitnah Muslims yang kononnya ada fobia about Allah. Now, that can be easily debunked kalau tak ada police report. Kalau ada police report, yang buat police report tu lah yang ada fobia yang Zuna cakap tu. Fobia kalimah. Dia ada fobia kalimah, dia buat police report. Kalau tak ada fobia, dia tak ada lah triggered by this cartoon kan. So therefore, that is telling. So therefore, Zuna buat kartun ni jadi umpan pada yang those yang ada fobia kalimah. Orang yang tak ada fobia kalimah takkan ada isu dengan kartun ni. So, salahkah Zuna menceritakan and menggambarkan fobia kalimah? It is real. And they just asserted the veracity of the message Zuna is trying to send out by making a police report and by having an issue about the cartoon. That's why, to me, this whole fiasco of this complaint and police report on Zuna is effectively a validation of every message Zuna is trying to send out.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free, you don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.